Hey there, so I thought I would show you guys what I start my day with every single day, and that is oatmeal. So it is about 11:10, so I usually break my fast between 11 or 12 depending on the day. So I always have oatmeal, and this is the one that I do. Quick oats, it's like $4, $3 from Fry's. It's just the quick 1-minute whole grain oats. So I do a half of a cup of it right now, but when prep keeps going along and I get closer to the show date, I actually manipulate it and make it a quarter of a cup, so just to get a little bit less carbs so that I can squeeze carbs in later with different things. So right now a half a cup, and then I'm gonna do 1 scoop of my Plant Fusion chocolate. I like to do chocolate just because then I do the peanut butter on top and it tastes like chocolate peanut butter heaven. So this has 21 grams of protein. So right now I'm just doing 1 scoop of this. So I have my scoop already ready. So then a tablespoon of flaxseed. So I just get the ground up flaxseed. It's only 70 calories and 3 grams of protein for a tablespoon. Put those all together, and then I put water in it. This is what I tell everybody: you have to find the amount of water that you like to eat. So I think that's where I used to mess up. I used to put too little water. I like it to where it's a little bit runny but not too crazy. So we're gonna put that in. So again, I like mine a little bit watery. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that when you microwave it, it's not gonna be runny, but it's still a good texture when I microwave it. I don't like it where it's like chunky and like stuck. I like to have it kind of a good mixture. So it's kind of liquidy right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I microwave this for 1 minute. I'm weird and I lick my spoon. So while it's getting ready, I take my tablespoon, dig it into the natural organic creamy, I do crunchy actually. I used to do creamy. I like the crunchy now with my oatmeal, I don't know why. So I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of this, but like I said, when prep gets closer to the actual show date, I definitely go down to 1 tablespoon. Sometimes I might even take it out. So we'll just have to see how my body is responding this time. But I love healthy fat, I love peanut butter. It's my favorite. So, while that is cooking, I will prep the peanut butter. Can't believe this is 1 tablespoon. So it looks like that. I have not mixed it yet. It's a little thicker than what it was. So I will then put my 1 tablespoon on top. I use the spatula because whatever this is, I want to get all the peanut butter. I'm not gonna rip myself off. Okay, so there's that one, and then I do 2 tablespoons right now because I love peanut butter. So I make sure it's as close to the top as possible. Okay. Then I mix it up, and chocolate peanut butter heaven. I will attach the macros to this so that you guys can see. Again, I tell my clients that I do this every day because I literally do this every day. So I tell them, if you can stand it, do oatmeal. It's the best complex carbohydrate. I feel to start the day. I feel so energized. And again, it's 11 o'clock, so my fast is gonna go from 11 to 7 today. So this holds me off pretty much until like 2 or 3 p.m. and that's when I do my second meal of the day. So again, I hope this helps. This is what the final product looks like. So again, I like it a little creamier but not too thick. So that is what I eat for breakfast. Hope that helps.